Good day, everyone, and welcome to the BCWise presentation. My name is Vikas. Someone has invited you to have a look at the BCWise business opportunity. They most probably also told you that it will only cost you a once-off 350 Rand for the starter pack, and you will be in business. That is all true. And the good news is that we do not have to sell anything to anybody. We also do not have to buy anything that we do not want. This is a very easy business. All we have to do is to pay differently at the checkout point for our everyday anyway shopping, and then we will be rewarded to do it. I'm briefly going to cover the following topics in this presentation: a short introduction, company overview, market analysis, value proposition, partnerships, the shopping process, implementation plan, the income potential, and then we are going to have a conclusion. Introduction. Welcome to BCWise, South Africa's unique shopping and loyalty ecosystem that empowers ordinary people to earn extraordinary rewards from their daily anyway spending. Our mission is simple. It's to make everyday shopping more rewarding. It's to create a community-driven loyalty system that benefits everyone, and it's to ensure growth that is professional, transparent, and sustainable. We are not here to sell products or push people into anything. We are here to reimagine shopping as an opportunity, one that brings value back to households, communities, and businesses alike. Company overview. The vision of BCWise is to build South Africa's most trusted shopping and loyalty ecosystem where everyday spending creates value, strengthens communities, and empowers people to grow together. Our mission is to make shopping more rewarding by creating a transparent, sustainable, and inclusive loyalty ecosystem. We empower members to earn from everyday spending, support merchants with stronger customer engagement, and ensure that growth benefits the entire community. Market analysis. Traditionally, loyalty programs, whether it is points, cashbacks, store cards, give limited rewards and often lock shoppers into one chain. BCWise is different. We work across multiple merchants and categories. Our rewards are transparent and shareable within a community ecosystem. We are positioned as a professional, unique alternative to those limited models. Value proposition for shoppers. It's to turn your daily anyway spending into rewards and savings. For merchants, it's to build stronger customer loyalty and attract new shoppers. And for communities, is to keep value circulating, supporting local households and businesses. BCWise is not just another network scheme. It is a unique loyalty model that works with everyday spending. BCWise creates a win-win ecosystem where everyone benefits. Let's look at the partnerships. First is BCWise. BCWise is a South African-based business and was founded in October 2024 by Dr. Frans van der Poel. Number two is Cellbox. Cellbox is also a South African-based business. It is a payment processing company with a turnover of more than 15 billion Rand in the last 12 or more years. Number three is the merchants. More than 30 of South Africa's largest merchants are already participating in this initiative. And then number four, shoppers. This is me and you. It is for those of us who are looking to improve our standard of living. So let's have a look at how all of this fits together. First, we will start with the shopping process. Here is an illustration of the normal shopping process, and we all know this. You fill your trolley with the items that you need, let's say 1,000 Rand worth of items. Then you go to the checkout point and pay with either cash, a credit card, or a debit card. We normally do not think about the process after the payment has been done. That is, how does the money get from your card or bank account to the merchant's bank account? The merchant never receives the full amount. Something happens in the background. There is always a third party involved that processes the payment, and this processing company charges a transaction fee, which is paid by the merchant. When money changes hands, there is always a transaction fee involved. So the transaction fee is the income or the profits of the processing company. The founder of Beaconwise, Dr. Frans, saw this and he asked the following question. Would it be possible for us as customers to get a part of that transaction fee back into our pockets? But how much is this transaction fee actually? Let's have a look at last year's turnover of a few large and well-known chain stores. In 2024, the turnover or the sales of these shops varied between 10.6 billion rand and 240 billion rand. On a monthly basis, this varies between 880 million rand and 20 billion rand. Normally, the transaction fees that processing companies charge varies between 1% and 3% of the transaction value, depending on the merchant. If we now assume a transaction fee of only 1.5%, the monthly transaction fees would be between 13 million and 300 million rand per month. That's a huge income for the processing companies. So how would you like to receive a piece of that back into your pocket? Dr. Frans was thinking the same, and he has done a lot of research. Then he found Cellbox, a payment processing company who are willing to share a portion of their transaction fee with Beaconwise and its members. Let's have a look at how the Cellbox payment system works. As I've mentioned before, all we have to do is to pay differently and we will get rewarded to do it. Your shopping process stays the same. You can still swipe all of your loyalty cards. The only thing that will change is the way that you pay at the checkout point. We are going cashless and cardless. We are now going to make use of our Cellbox e-wallet to make the payment for our Anyway shopping. To be able to pay with your Cellbox e-wallet, you only need your mobile phone to be with you. You will always have an SMS from Cellbox on your mobile phone with your latest balance and the associated 168 voucher code. When you pay at the till by using your 168 code, the purchase amount is then deducted from your balance and Cellbox will SMS a new balance with a new 168 code to your mobile phone within a few seconds. Cellbox then shares a portion of that transaction fee with Beaconwise, who in turn distributes it between the members of Beaconwise. This is then paid on the 7th of every month into your Cellbox e-wallet. At first, when you start out, your Cellbox e-wallet will obviously be empty, but you can easily fund it with an EFT payment from your bank account. Once your business starts growing and your income increases, you won't need to fund your wallet anymore. In fact, you will get to a point where you can start withdrawing from your e-wallet back to your bank account. Our next point is the implementation plan. Get your starter pack for 350 Rand once off to activate your participation. Membership, training, marketing materials, and support is included in the starter pack for everyone. You will also receive a 30 Rand deposited into your Cellbox wallet to go and test this new payment method. We've got a nationwide expansion through partnerships and community onboarding. It's a seamless integration of shopping, earning, and loyalty rewards. You will benefit from two income streams. The onboarding bonuses, which is paid on every Friday. This is a once-off income. And then the recurring rewards, which is paid on the 7th of every month based on the shopping that took place. Remember, there are no contracts, no subscriptions, no debit orders, and no monthly fees. The next point is the income potential. Let's start with the once-off bonuses for onboarding new shoppers to the ecosystem. When you start, you are on your own. Then you start using the system and start telling your friends and your family, your inner circle, about BcoinWise. We call that your direct shoppers. You can only have 10 of them, and you will be rewarded a direct starter pack bonus of 10 Rand per person that become part of this ecosystem. You will also receive 50 Rand extra if you are using your own referral link. Now, those 10 people will also introduce 10 people each, and that will create your extended shoppers circle. And for that, you will receive an extended starter pack bonus of 5 Rand per person. That duplicates again, and you will create your broader shopper circle, for which the bonus is 10 Rand per person. And then finally, you will be creating your market growth shoppers, and your market growth starter pack bonus is 25 Rand per person. So let's see what we can earn from the ones of starter pack bonuses in total. So if you've got your structure completely developed, that means 10 shoppers on your direct shoppers circle, 100 on your extended shopper circle, 1,000 on your broader shopper circle, and 10,000 on your market growth shopper circle. Your total income will be 261,100 Rand, which is more than $250,000 Rand. Remember, this is a once-off income. Let's now have a look at the potential passive income from the anyway spending of all these shoppers. Every time a payment is processed in your community by yourself or one of your team members, you will receive a loyalty share of that transaction fee as follows. Direct shopper reward is 0.15%, extended shopper reward 0.075%, broader shopper reward 0.225%, and market growth shopper reward 0.6%. You will also receive a 0.15% on your own spending, irrelevant of the amount. So let's assume a spending of 1,000 Rand per shopper. So from your direct shopper reward, you will receive 150 per 1,000 Rand spent. From your extended shopper circle, you will receive 75 cents per 1,000 Rand spent in the system. And on your broader shopper reward, you will receive 225 per 1,000 Rand spent. And on the market growth shopper circle, your reward will be 6 Rand per 1,000 Rand spent. From this is very clear that these are all small amounts. It is small change. Hence the name BcoinWise. We work wise with all the bits and pieces of coins and accumulate them to create wealth in the process. So let's have a look at the result when all of this is added up. So once again, if your whole system shopper network is created, 10 shoppers on your direct shopper circle, 100 shoppers on your extended shopper circle, 1,000 on your broader shopper circle, and 10,000 shoppers on your market growth shopper circle, you will receive a total of 62,340 Rand per month if everybody spends only 1,000 Rand per month. So let's just recap quickly. Where does this money come from, this 62,000 Rand? It comes from Sellbox. This is monies that are already in the economy. Sellbox are sharing their transaction fee, which is part of their profit, with us. Did I have to sell anything? No. Did I have to buy anything that I do not want? Also no. I have only changed the payment method at the checkout point. Do you have to buy anything that you do not want? No. Do you have to sell anything to anybody? No, there is nothing to sell. All you have to do is to also just change the way that you pay at the checkout by making use of your Sellbox wallet and then share this with others. When we get started, we all start with an empty structure. So it's going to take some time to get our structure fully filled with shoppers. The question is now, how soon can we expect to start earning something worthwhile? Well, you do not need to have a fully filled structure to already receive an income that will make a difference in your finances. Let's explore that quickly. Let's say you have only 5 shoppers in your direct shopper circle. Those 5 also introduced 5 in their first circle, so you will have 25 shoppers in your extended shopper circle, and that duplicates right through. So in total, you will have a total of 780 shoppers in your whole structure. That will already create for you 4,000, more than 4,000 rand per month if everybody is spending 1,000 rand a month. So as you can see, with a team of less than 800 shoppers, you can already receive an income that can make a difference in your household. The more shoppers that joins the ecosystem, the better it gets. The next question that people usually ask is, how long is it going to take to get to a point of financial freedom? Let's have a look at this by looking at the 5-step strategy. That is 5 steps in 5 months to reach a monthly passive income of more than 60,000 rand. So number 1, pay once. Pay once 350 rand for the starter pack. And then number 2, spend monthly. Fund your Cellbox wallet and start spending 1,000 to 2,000 rand per month on your everyday shopping at the participating merchants for groceries, takeaways, fuel, etc. Pay differently by using your 168 code. Number 3, tell 10 people about BcoinWise within your first month. Number 4, help your first 10 people to do the same. That is to repeat steps 1 to 3. So the result is in month 1, you will fill your inner circle, the direct shopper circle. Month 2, the extended shopper circle. Month 3, broader shopper circle. And then in month 4 and 5, the market growth shopper circle. Point 5, so your potential income will be 60,000 rand per month. That's a monthly income for life. And as you can see, it's totally possible to get to a point of financial freedom within a few months without selling anything to anybody. You just have to pay differently at the checkout point and tell others about it. This is really the easiest business ever. Are you ready to start? Tomorrow you will shop again. The only question is, will you earn from it or not? The time is now. Get back to the person that invited you here and become part of the BcoinWise ecosystem. Shop smarter, earn more, and let's grow together. And this concludes this presentation, and I thank you for your time. We are looking forward to welcome you as a new shopper to the BcoinWise ecosystem. Have a great day and goodbye.